Under legal mode, here is a structured explanation regarding traffic tickets issued for harassment under CRS 18-911 1C in Colorado and the procedural steps after receiving such a ticket. I require details on a charging document for harassment, CRS 18-911C. Colorado law requires that a charging document, citation or summons, include sufficient information for the defendant to understand the nature of the accusation and prepare a defense. Key details generally include defendant identification, full legal name, date of birth or other identifier, address. 2. Date, time, and location of alleged offense. Specific dates the harassment occurred, specific locations, including street address or public place description. 3. Statute violated. Must cite CRS, paragraph 18-111C, harassment by following in a public place. 4. Factual basis allegations. General description of conduct constituting harassment, e.g., followed victim on foot and by vehicle in public parking lot and roadway. Any related verbal or physical acts. Witnesses or evidence, if available, not always required on initial ticket. 5. Officer information. Name, badge number, and signature of issuing officer. Note, courts generally allow some leeway on a ticket's factual detail. It must provide enough information for the defendant to identify the alleged conduct. Minor deficiencies usually do not automatically dismiss charges if the defendant can understand and respond. Typical process. After receiving a traffic harassment ticket. Step 1. Issuance of the ticket. Defendant is verbally informed of the charge and receives a written ticket or citation. Police typically provide 1 or 2 copies for the defendant's records. Ticket serves as a charging document, initiating the case. Step 2. First court appearance. Initial appearance, arraignment, usually within 30 days for misdemeanor traffic offenses. Defendant is given the formal charging document, informed of the rights to counsel, asked to enter a plea, guilty, not guilty, or no contest. Judge may schedule pretrial hearings, trial date. Step 3. Pretrial proceedings, if plea not guilty. Discovery. Defendant can request evidence, e.g. police reports, videos, body cam. Motions. Motion to dismiss for insufficient detail on ticket. Motion to suppress evidence, if applicable. Negotiations, possible plea agreement or diversion programs, if eligible. Step 4. Trial/hearing. Presentation of evidence by prosecution, police testimony, CCTV, videos, victim statements. Defendant may present witnesses, alibi, video evidence, legal arguments. Step 5. Post-trial procedures. Verdict entered. If guilty, sentencing hearing, possible fines, community service, probation. Defendant may appeal under Colorado criminal procedure rules. 3. Considerations for the defendant. Claiming insufficient detail. Contentions on insufficiency. Defendant may argue the ticket lacks enough factual specificity. Colorado courts generally require the defendant understand what conduct is alleged. Evidence against defendant includes admission to police, knew he shouldn't have followed victim, CCTV footage, victim's video, police witness observations, prior threats or live stream evidence. Courts often uphold charges if defendant has sufficient notice and can prepare a defense, even if initial ticket is somewhat vague. IV. Relevant evidentiary points in this case. 1. Video evidence. Court CCTV. Victim's video showing following, chasing, and verbal taunting. Defendant's live stream showing prior threats and brandishing a weapon. 2. Admissions. Defendant told police he knew he should not follow the victim. 3. Multiple copies of charging document. Received at police station. Provided at first court appearance. Ensures defendant has official notice. 4. Previous PPO status. Defendant's prior PPO against victim dismissed before the harassment event. No current PPO exists at time of alleged harassment. Legal implications. Insufficient detail argument may not succeed given defendant had formal ticket, received multiple copies, was informed verbally of the charge, evidence clearly documents alleged harassment, admissions and video evidence strongly support probable cause. Court will consider all evidence, including prior threats or live stream videos, for intent and pattern of behavior, not just the harassment incident. If you want, I can draft a step-by-step procedural timeline for this harassment ticket, including first, second, and subsequent hearings, deadlines, and filing options, tailored to Colorado law. which would serve as a formal reference for defense or prosecution. Do you want me to prepare that?